Hi, my name is Jay, and I will be your host for this video. This video aims to provide you an introduction to the Conestoga Career Center service. I will share with you how we can help and what to expect when you first meet with a career work coach employer liaison. Conestoga Career Center is a community-based organization. Everyone is welcome. We are here to provide you with employment and job search support. We have resources to help you with your job search, career exploration, and looking at training options. Job search support includes sector-specific tools and techniques that includes networking tips, connecting and connections with employers in our area, and resume and interview support, just to name a few. If career exploration is what you are looking for, we can help with that. We will get to know your interests, values, and skills while also getting to know your background and where you are. Following that, we will coach you in developing a direction right for you, and then support moving forward as you work toward achieving your career goal. Better Jobs Ontario, formerly known as Second Career, is a provincially funded government program that provides support for education and training. We can help you determine your eligibility and suitability for this program, as well as other various types of funding sources. The Conestoga Career Center is located at the Waterloo and Doon campuses, with a satellite office in Stratford, and is available virtually throughout the area. The Conestoga Career Center is funded through Employment Ontario. To access this service, we ask that you meet the following: not presently registered with another Employment Ontario funded employment service provider. You are a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, or refugee in need of protection, and an Ontario resident. When you register with the Conestoga Career Center, you get access to customized resources, supports, and services that are going to respond to your unique career and employment needs. A career work coach employer liaison, as your case manager, will support you toward achieving your goals as they get to know your situation. Adding value to this service is our connection to the local labor market and its employers. When you connect with us, you will benefit from our understanding, knowledge, and experience with the local labor market. This means you will gain direct access and support to employers and local opportunities. This is done through direct connection, networking sessions, job fairs, and events. The Career Work Coach Employer Liaison will deliver these supports in person, over the phone, via email, and/or over Zoom. Please keep in mind that we do have a 2 business day turnaround time for response rate. Your next step is to attend a one-on-one intake session with a career work coach employer liaison to complete that registration for service. In preparation for this meeting, please review the Employment Ontario participant registration form that accompanies the meeting invite, and gather the materials and resources together so we can fill it out together when we meet, such as dates, company names, names of education and training institutions, along with dates and types of credentials. In order to verify that you are legally entitled to work in Canada and eligible for this service, we will need to see an official document with your social insurance number and name on it, like a SIN card or paper form, or a tax document such as a T4. Additionally, we will need to verify your identity with something like driver's license, Ontario photo ID card, or something with your date of birth and address, and if applicable, your permanent resident, PR status, or refugee status. Thank you for joining me today. Please do keep us in mind and don't hesitate to tell your friends, family, and coworkers about the Conestoga Career Center. We can help them too. We can be reached by email, waterloocareercenter@conestogac.on.ca, or by calling 519-885-0300, extension 5226. Or if you're on the internet, just use your search engine and enter in Conestoga Career Center. We look forward to working with you to achieve your employment and training goals. Thank you.